Good day, candidates. To formally introduce myself, I am Robin Jeffrey Kumo, your assessor for 2D Digital Animation NC3. So before we proceed, kindly stand up. Let us have a prayer. Okay. We sit down. So first, let us have an attendance first. When I call your name, kindly go here in front and then give me or submit your attendance sheet, your admission slip, okay? Mr. Makadat. Okay. Ms. Kiambao. So before we proceed to our orientation, so gusto ko muna kayong tanongin if what is your gusto nyo dialect, maybe English ba or Tagalog or both, sa tingin nyo, ano sa prefer nyo? Taglish po, okay? Taglish din po, okay? So now let us now go and proceed to our orientation. So first, the context of assessment, no? So ano nga ba yung context ng assessment natin? So it is a part of the competency-based training programs, and then also ito yung nag-design and nag-measure para sa learner process ng mga ating trainees, no? So dito naman is nakikita natin yung knowledge nila and then yung skills para ano yung mga kailangan nila ma-perform sa ating demonstration. So ano nga ba yung purpose ng assessment? So, ang purpose ng ating assessment is to determine whether the learners have acquired the necessary knowledge, skills, and also yung attitudes na makita nila din sa ating industry, and also yung ma-apply ninyo in the work ng inyong based sa kinukuha nyo na qualification, no? And then, ito ay serve as your competency, and of course, ma-ensure yung workforce ng readiness ninyo, and also mag-provide din ako syempre ng feedback para sa ating assessment, also to improve na yung both learners ay merong natutunan at merong adapt sa ating qualification na ito. So here is the qualification to animation NC3 na kung saan ito natin yung list ng mga competencies. So dito naman sa number 3 na naka-highlight, ito naman is na-indicate na ito yung gagawin natin na, gagawin ninyo na sa inyong competency na kung saan ay maka-qualify kayo to the digital animation, no? So next. So methods of assessment. Ano nga ba yung methods of assessment natin? So una, meron tayong tinatawag na demonstration. So sa demonstration, ang gagawin ninyo ay mag-demo kayo to our assessment area kung saan ay meron tayo sa computer lab kung saan gagawa kayo ng 2D digital animation nyo, no? Then the next, portfolio naman. So after natin naman magawa yung mga demonstration, next naman ang gagawin natin ay gagawa tayo ng portfolio, or ito yung magsisilbing ninyo compilation na mga gawa ninyo in your mga activities. Okay? Malino ba lahat yun? Okay. So again, any questions ba? Questions? Okay? None? So now, before tayo tumuko sa ating demonstration assessment area, so ito muna yung ating assessment package or ating qualification summary kung saan ay mababasa ninyo upang before kayo mag-proceed sa ating demonstration is meron kayong idea, and of course, if may question kayo, you may address me. So ito. So makagad. So, kung wala naman ng tanong or anything else na yung gusto mong i-address, you may pass it. Okay, so now let us proceed to our demonstration. So once I call your name now, sumunod sa akin, and then proceed tayo sa ating demonstration area. So Mr. Makadat, let's proceed. So Mr. Makadat, ano po yung ginagawa niyo sa inyong activity? once you're done, you may proceed to your okay. So next, Miss Kiambao. So ano po yung ginagawa mo sa mga Johnson ko, okay, so once you're done, you may proceed naman ulit sa ating ayan. Okay, thank you. So now, tapos nyo namin yung demonstration. So now, I will go to the constructive feedback na tayo ngayon. And then, you may move forward once I call your name to know if you're competent or not competent sa ating qualification. No? So, Mr. Makada, you move forward. So, based on your performance, no, you are competent. So, congratulations. But also, may mga times din na kailangan mo rin na mag-improve sa part ng digital animation na kung saan ay kailangan mo mapunahin kahit paano. Kahit mga slide lang din siya ng mga ibang like sa color or sa shapes, no? So, at least you have passed the qualification. And also, kindly sign this result summary and to know na you have agree and also you have class, okay? So next, okay, you may go up to the seat. Okay. Next, Ms. Kiambao. So for the result of your demonstration, no, I am sorry to tell you, but you did not pass the assessment. But also, bukod naman doon is meron naman din tayong tinatawag na reassessment na kung saan ay pwede mong ma-retake itong qualification na ito upang maging competent din ikaw ulit sa susunod. No? So there is no problem with it. So as long as na nakita ko rin na mag-improve ka and you can also work at your own pace and you can go back here and reassess. Okay? So here is the one that you will have to okay? So, since tapos naman na ang ating demonstration, also nakapag-sign in na rin kayo, nakapag-sign up kayo sa ating form na kung saan ay dito ay susukat ng inyong mga result and also yung summary na kung saan malalaman natin kung saan nga ba dapat tayo improve. So, I would like to congratulate you all sa ating qualification na ito, sa ating assessment, and also, ayun, I must say na sa susunod ay mas galingan pa natin and also mag-improve tayo sa mga weakness na ating ipakita sa ating demo. So, yun lang po. And thank you.